Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Ahmed LinkedIn Wallah. LinkedIn, I will tell you about LinkedIn and how it's effective for us. LinkedIn is a social networking platform focused on professional networking and career development. It's like a digital resume or business profile where you can showcase your work, experience, skills, and accomplishments. I mean, accomplishments. LinkedIn is effective for several reasons. First, networking. You can connect with professionals in your industry, potential employers, or colleagues, helping you expand your professional network. Second is job search. Many companies post job openings on LinkedIn, and you can use the platform to search for jobs, apply directly, and even get recommendations from your connections. Third is personal branding. It's a great way to build and promote your personal brand. You can share your thoughts, expertise, and achievements with a broader audience. Fourth, learning and development. And development is it's an aspect for your life to grow. Learning and development. LinkedIn offers various courses and resources to help you learn new skills and stay updated with industry trends. Fifth, industry insights. You can follow companies and influencers in your industry to stay informed about industry news, new trends, and events, etc. Overall, LinkedIn is a valuable tool for professionals to connect, learn, and advance their careers. So, LinkedIn is a very great platform for you because you are finding clients. Even you can get great connections. You can make connections and take the help from them, and you can help to them. So that's a good aspect for you for connections. Even you can book a time for them for learning, because learning is also included in LinkedIn. If you want to learn new skills, you can. There are many other platforms, but LinkedIn is like a professional platform where you could find companies, and even if you are a CEO, chief executive officer of your company, so you can find persons of your company easily. So it's a very good platform. So guys, see you soon. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.